I thought that today we would let my boyfriend do my voiceover because we've already done, sorry I'm just moving a mirror, we've already done the boyfriend does my makeup challenge. Now we're going to do the boyfriend does my voiceover challenge, so thought that might be fun. He seems very enthusiastic about it, so I'm gonna get on with it. Have fun, Nick.
And here we go. She is starting her makeup. This is a spray that I think is called Hangover. Never a good name for a spray that you spray in your face to begin with, because it just sounds like you're always hungover. And now she is going to super speed her way through doing her makeup. She has sped this up quite a lot, I'm not gonna lie. She looks kind of like the Flash when she's speeding up her makeup. And this is foundation that she is going to smear on her pretty face. This is to make her face look less like her face. But it does work, apparently. I mean, I've never tried it. Maybe I should try foundation. See how pretty I look. Not pretty at all. Not gonna lie. I'll just look like some sort of Oompa Loompa if I tried it. Does anyone see the video where I applied her makeup? I used my fingers, and much more than she used. No. It was not a good look. It was not a good look. Yeah, that's it. Get it right in the eyes. Smear it all in around the gaps, including on your ears. And it's a little tub of something that she smears under her eyes. You look like you're going to war. Oh dear, here we go. Dab, dab, dab. This is actually her covering all the imperfections that she perceives on her face, even though she is very, very beautiful. Actually, this is covering spots, which I suppose are technically imperfections, but I still think she's beautiful. And now she's got the palette with nothing in it. This is where she smears. Look, she literally puts the brush all over the bits where there's nothing. There's nothing there. Like, how do you get... She actually gets stuff out of this in a minute. Look. There is stuff that she got off that brush. How? There was nothing there. If there's no toilet paper, you can't use the toilet paper that isn't there, can you? So how the hell did she manage that? I still think makeup is witchcraft. I think it's witchcraft, yep. This is contouring time. This is where she makes all of her cheekbones and ears stand out, and her neck, because you've got to paint your neck as well. Got to make sure your neck is nice and painted. Yep, and now she's going to smear in all of the makeup. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Yeah, super speeding. Zzz. You know those angle grinders that you use for polishing metal? I want to get one of those, just so that she can speed up her makeup. Interesting fact, this video has been sped up quite a lot, but it's still like 8 minutes long. Now imagine how long it takes her to do her makeup when it's not sped up like this. Just for a minute grasp that. It'd be like, are we going out today, babe? Yeah, let me just do my makeup. Alright, wake me up tomorrow and we'll go out then. Nah, she doesn't take that long. Yes, she does. Usually sitting in the car. She has this amazing ability to always be doing her makeup when we're driving. And it doesn't matter how we go around corners or if there's a bump or... Literally, I could like roll the car and she'd still manage to get her makeup to look good. It would be... She's impressively good at it in the car. I feel like it's an advanced trick of makeup doing. Anyway, I'm distracted. This is where she puts on her eyebrows. Interesting bit of trivia. She recently waxed off part of her left eyebrow. Well, her left eyebrow from our point of view, her right eyebrow from hers. But can you see right near the end of her nose, it's got like this little bit where she's just painted over it. Yep, that's where she waxed it off. Because, yeah, she did. Because she's dumb. Look at her little face. That's it. Concentration face. Yeah. Yeah, smiley face. And it's the case that's not a Nintendo DS. Disappointing. Always say disappointing. She's choosing Princess Peach for her eyelids. It's either Princess Peach, a sunset, or the gory remains of her enemies. Yep. And she is applying that flawlessly. All in and around the eyelid. I can't imagine how heavy my eyes would be if I tried this. This is what I don't understand about makeup. I wore makeup for Halloween last year when I went as a undead bride. And that was heavy enough. Not gonna lie. I feel like asking open so many questions, but it was such a good outfit. I had like tears going down my eyes and everything. Anyway, yes, that's it. Smear on your face. Awesome. You are very pretty. I like your face very much. I like how the background is all blurred out to show the Harry Potter sheets and the golden tray that she keeps her laptop on. Oh, there we are. It's time for white paint on her already very pale face. You, my darling, are secretly a vampire. I'm pretty sure this is why I don't sleep very well anymore, and it's because you suck my blood. I was going to say something else, huh? Okay, so now she is doing her eyeliner. I don't understand eyeliner. Like, why would you want to paint the inside of your eyes? I mean, if you went to B&Q and said, do you mind if I buy some white paint, and then you just started putting it in your eyes, you'd go blind. Why would people voluntarily put paint in their eyes? I don't understand it. I mean, it looks good, but I've got very, like, sensitive eyes. I can't even have those eye drops because my eyes are like, nope. But I don't understand. Hey, it's a diamond. Something she is never getting from me. Ever. Because I am poor. This is the shiny stuff that you smear to make your face do the shiny thing. That is so important. Look at how shiny she is. Yes. Oh, shiny face and the shiny pretty girl. And she's putting some of it on the tip of her nose and down her nose to make sure her nose looks bigger. Oh, she's so pretty. And it's time for... it's the medieval torture device. I am sure that in medieval times, you know, they had like those racks that you used to like tie prisoners to and then like stretch them out. I'm pretty sure that like mascara was used back then as a torture device. Look how evil it looks. It's like this spiky thing that's just covered in this thick black like tar. Like, surely it would have been a torture device and people happily put it on her eyes. I'm taking my time on this, by the way, because she is doing her eyelashes and she does this for like another like 15 seconds. So, I mean, might as well get to know each other. How are you lot? I mean, I'm Nick. I am the one that's recorded this. This is the 4th time I've recorded this because the fan on her laptop is horribly loud because it's a very old MacBook now. She needs to get another one. Or, you know, record on something that's not a MacBook. PC Master Race. And it's time for lipstick. Apparently, the best colour of lipstick is the one that matches your nipples. It's that or lip gloss, but I don't understand the difference. This is not the colour of her nipples. Just for anyone that's curious. Pretty. Yep, that's it. Just dab it. And it's time for some white stuff that she's putting on her lips. As her boyfriend, I don't know how I feel about this. And look how pretty she is. She is finished, and she is the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Look how pretty her eyes are. Ah, yes, pretty girl. Angel face, little pose. Blah, so cute. Oh, you're so dumb. So dumb. Oh, and she is just showing off her ears that she has painted. Anyway, that was her makeup. I am Nick. Goodbye.